Hey guys, Tay here, and today I'm going to be doing a bike check. Also I have another bike by a seagull. Whatever. And this is my Diamondback freestyle. Freestyle. First let's start off with the hand grips. They're really soft. I really like them in my opinion. I don't have a gyro. Brakes, which I have. Leather seat, plain leather seat. Two different tires. I don't know why I just got it like that. Diamondback pedals. I don't know if you can see that though. Diamondback frame. I guess like really fat things. I don't know what they're called. Nuts are there. Really fat nuts. I can't get a peg on there, so I only have one on the front. So I don't know why I just did that. Black seat clamp. There's the brakes right there. Oh crap! Oh my god! All right. Beep beep. Sorry about that, guys. The bike just fell. One black peg, black front hub, Diamondback. I believe it's a Diamondback forks. Tektro brakes, I think. There's a sticker right there that says "Made in China." Why is like everything made in China? I don't know. Leave comments down below why everything's made in China. Because everything is worth cheaper money. That's why. Okay? Alright. I have Tech Pro brakes. Rear hub, I think it's Diamondback or Tech Pro. I don't know that. I just feel a water gun right now. A spring. Of course, my hose. And I have my other bike, which I barely even use anymore. This one is like a piece of junk. Do you want to know why I don't like this bike? It's a coaster brake. I don't like coaster brakes. And it's also like, and I can't ride it because like the pedals are too short. I'm too tall for that bike. Why there's a peg laying right there? It's really good, I believe. Here, you can feel it. Go ahead and feel it. Feel it. Feel it now. All right. We have this thing. I don't know what it's called. Headset. No, that's black headsets, white bars. And this bike is pretty much Diamondback. That's pretty much from my bike check, guys. And yeah, but my bike is also really light too. I think it's 27 pounds. I don't know. But I'll see you guys in my next update. So yeah, bye. What if bike